Hello friends, and welcome back to another episode of JM Desserts. Today, I have a treat for you. We are going to be making cinnamon donut holes. And I like to make baking easy as possible, right? Sometimes you use what you have in the fridge, and in this case, I had a container of Grand's biscuits. So, we are going to make donut holes with the Grand biscuits. Really easy. I already have our ingredients all laid out here. We have half of a cup of regular granulated sugar, and we have a tablespoon of cinnamon, and then we have 6 tablespoons of butter, which we put in the microwave to melt. I have to cut each biscuit into 4 pieces and roll it into a ball, dip, and then we put it into the pan. So let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna roll it into a ball. We're gonna dip it in some butter, and then we're gonna roll it in our sugar mixture, and then we sit that puppy right in the pan. It's as easy as that. One thing I like to do with this show is to encourage people that may think that they don't have the capability of baking, aren't comfortable in the kitchen. I am a strong believer that anybody can bake. I also would like to take this time to thank anybody who has liked and subscribed to my page. Please continue to tell your friends. I enjoy this time together with you, and I hope that you enjoy it as much as I do. While we're rolling out these donuts, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you some of our facts of the day. I, of course, had to look up some facts on donuts. The world record for the most donuts consumed is 29 donuts in 6 minutes. Another thing that I found out was that donuts in their original form were not completely as appetizing as they are today. They were a pastry that was supposedly soaked in pork fat, and it was called a olykoek. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, not completely sure. That means an oil cake. So it didn't sound as great as these are gonna come out. National Donut Day is always the first Friday of June. It was first established in 1938 to celebrate Salvation Army workers who actually brought free donuts to American soldiers during World War I. Pretty cool. You hear about all these holidays and you wonder if people just came up with them or if they had something behind them, but this one kind of had a cool kind of backstory. So that's just a little about donuts that I didn't know before. Hope you learned something too. We're putting them in for 15 to 20 minutes. Just check them periodically, probably starting at the 10-minute mark. Our oven is at 350, so we're gonna go ahead and stick these in. Stick around for a joke. I know that you guys are looking forward to the joke, and I will not disappoint. So hold that thought. Woo-wee. These are looking great. I'm so excited about how they came out. Let me get a little closer to the camera so you can see. I know you can't smell them. That's really sad because they smell amazing. But you can at least see the great deliciousness. Hold on. Cinnamon donut holes. Nom 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 nom. Donut, donut, donut. Thank you guys for baking with me today. This looks like another successful day in the Jam Kitchen. I hope you had fun making these. Make them at home. Enjoy how easy they are to make and how delicious they are to eat. Thank you guys again. Bye.